Okay, so I posted the other day about making this new art kit and or about liking my new art kit, and I had a question about what it was. I did this when I was sick so that I would have everything together for sorry, the kittens are playing. I'm in the bedroom. So that I would have it together for my daily art journaling, which I'm trying to get better about. And I had told y'all when I was sick in that little short video that what I want to do is I want to do this size. They're just the little sewn journals. The kittens are going nuts. With just the blank cream kind of pages. They're very lightweight, so you can't do a lot of wet on them. I did quite a bit on this one. You can see that it kind of wrinkled up a little bit. But what I want to do is for 2023, I want to do this style journal and then come back at the end of the year and do another hand sewn binding to bind them all into a book. And so to be able to art journal hopefully daily, I thought it'd be easier if instead of having to go to the art studio, or I had started setting up back in my exercise meditation space a little art journaling spot. Hang on, I'm gonna swap hands. But anyway, instead of doing that, what if I did something like this that I can grab and go? Now, I'll tell you the only thing this is a makeup case. It's a makeup case. The only thing I don't like about it is it does not have any handles, so it's very awkward to carry once it's full. But I am loving everything else about it because even my journal fits in here. The kittens are just playing like nobody's business. So I thought I would show you what all is in here. It's a lot. It's like a ridiculous lot. Okay, so of course my journal's in here. Then over here I have glue sticks. I have distress crayons. I have little travel scissors. I have a pencil sharpener. I have my little tweezers and stuff. All kinds of pens. Just all kinds of pens. Oh, hang on. Oh, this is going to get messy. There's no way that I'm going to have room to pull all this out. I'm just going to put it in my lap. This is one of those cutters. I love this thing. Slice is the name of it. It's not sharp, but it cuts beautifully. And because it's such a little blade, you can you can put washi down. You can cut through the washi and not cut the paper if you're careful. I'm going to be clear about that. If you press just even a hair too hard, you're going through everything. But it's a teeny tiny blade, so it's really good for that. I don't know if you could fly with this, but I kind of think you might can because, again, it's not sharp. You saw me run my finger over it. Oh, pins going everywhere. Another set of distress crayons. A little bitty cutting mat. A little stencil ruler. A magnifying glass ruler. Because, yes, I'm blind. This is an X-Acto knife. So, a actual X-Acto knife. You could not fly with that. Some dots. This little watercolor set. I got this off Amazon. And I love it. The water brush, the little pad to do your thing. Yeah, it looks kind of gross when it's dirty. And then each of these is just a little watercolor pad. Isn't that cool? And they just fan out to the side. I have a little thing, another thing of glue stick, a little thing of gesso. This I got off Amazon. It's a Bingo Dauber. But it's got a little sponge top, so you can just scrunch it on there. I do need to replace that one. It's kind of dried out. This is also a cutter. This is that iconic one from Tim Holtz. I don't know that I can open it one-handed. I originally got it because I wanted something that I knew I could fly with. And you can with this because, again, it's not sharp. I will say, I can't get it open. Hang on. mouth to the rescue. It's a perforated cutter. It's not sharp, as you can see. The only thing is, if you have something intricate to cut, it's not the best. It's not the best. But as long as you're just cutting straight lines, it is. Then I've got a couple of different tapes. Dots, I think I said that already, but didn't pull them out. Stencils. These are like journaling stencils, so they're more trace, but you could go through them. Some stencils and a little hole punch. Oops, that wasn't even in frame. A little hole punch. Then some little sticky notes tabs and correction tape, because I kind of like the white of the correction tape, and glue tape. I think that's everything, but the rest of that's just more pins. All right. So yeah, like I said, there's a lot in here. All right, then in this little zipper pouch is pretty much okay, so these are stickers, washi printables I've printed myself, little vintage printies, stuff like that. I'm not going to open that. Then I've got some rub-on stickers. This envelope here in the front, this is all recycle stuff. So when you see me pull out old papers, tea bags, labels, the little box I used yesterday, the little soap box that I used, all of that's in here. Oh, and old stamps. I love old stamps. So that's the kind of thing that's in here. Yeah, that's the kind of thing that's in here. So just little papery bits. Papery bits. Alright, let me slide these back in here before they fall. Oh, they're not going to slide back in there. I'm making such a mess. Alright, and then over here, this is all journaling sticker stuff. So, washi tape. I just wrap it on playing cards. I buy those oversized kids playing cards because they'll hold a lot more. But I have, hang on, I have a ton of them in here. And I do mean a ton of them in here. And there's, I think last time I counted, there was like over 60 washi tapes in here because you can put a lot on these little cards. Yeah, so I'm still pulling them out, y'all. Like still pulling them out. So there is a ton of these. So washi tape on cards. This is again stickers. They're little Japanese people stickers that came in this tin. I've actually added to it, but this is just full of cut stickers. Then I have got a ton of these little books. They're washi stickers. Little washi stickers. And I have a ton of those. Oh, I am making such a mess. More washi stickers, dots, coffee stickers, paper pads. Okay, I love these little paper pads, and I have a ton of them. And they're just little paper pads. I love them, and I've got a bunch of them in here. So, and then at the bottom, when I say a bunch of them, I mean a bunch of them. And then these are stickers as well, but they're just little square stickers. And they're sheer washi stickers. And then I think the only thing else in here are my dialogues. So sometimes when you don't have anything you want to say, I like to pull these out and just use some of these pre-done chat stickers. So literally a ridiculous amount of stuff, but everything you've been seeing me do in my art journal lately, it's been coming out of this gigantic kit. But it is something I can, it's heavy, and it doesn't have a handle, but I can theoretically throw it in a bag and take it with me. theoretically. I haven't done it yet because, like I said, it's heavy and there is not a handle, so it's not like you can just grab it and go. You've got to put it in something. All right, that's 10 minutes worth of stuff, so I'm going to go. We'll see y'all later. Bye.